Hey guys, it's Leon. Today I'm back with 5 super premium accessories for your iPhone. So you got a brand new iPhone and you're wondering what are some of the best accessories out there that you can get that is a non-Apple. Now, none of these accessories are from Apple because that makes it way too easy, right? These are from other brands that I felt have done above and beyond what their competitors have done. All right, so first off, let's talk about case. Okay, that's the most simplest thing out there. You're gonna look for a case. What is, to me, the most premium case that I've seen for my iPhone? Open door number 1, you got yourself the Spigen MagSafe case that has this fantastic see-through design that I have not seen anything like this or any other manufacturer that have done a design like this at all. Usually whenever they do have a design like this, they don't have MagSafe. And vice versa. When they have MagSafe, there's really no design. You just see a little circle on the back. So anyway, this right here has both. It has an awesome looking design where it looks like you literally see through your phone, but at the same time, it provides a MagSafe as well. On top of that, it's made by a brand, Spigen, that is very well known in terms of making iPhone cases. I have Spigen's case throughout my house for my iPads, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPhone. I mean, I've been using them for a very long time, and Spigen has done a fantastic job at making great looking case, and at the same time, it's durable as well. I've dropped my phone quite a bit with Spigen's case, and it has never failed me before. Well, this one right here, they've added a little bit oomph to it, which is creating this beautiful see-through design and still keep the MagSafe and the protection all there. So number 2, next thing you're gonna look for is probably a MagSafe charger, since you wanna take full advantage of the capability of your phone, which, by the way, if you get an iPhone, you gotta get MagSafe because it makes so much more convenience to charge your phone. You're tired at night, you don't wanna have to find a port, and at the same time, you don't wanna wear this little port out at all. MagSafe just solves a lot of that problem. Enter the ESR 3-in-1 MagSafe charger right here. This one right here just came out from ESR. They actually sent me this and asked me to test it out, and after I've done a video on it, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be my main charger from now on. This stays on my desk. Yeah. The reason why, okay, a couple of things. One is that if you have an Apple Watch, this one right here, detachable, you can add that on there if you want to for your Apple Watch. At the bottom here is for your AirPods. If you have an AirPods or AirPod Pro, it will charge it on this thing right here. And on top of that, their MagSafe is very strong. The reason why it's strong is because you see the way they've done the charger here, where it's round here. What that means is that the MagSafe will stay on there because it's round. You see, it's not obstructing this camera bump right here at all. So they've done a fantastic job with pretty much all of the accessory I like. And this is the latest from ESR. Last but not least, this one right here uses the USB-C charger. I have an old model of theirs and it's not USB-C, which I'm disappointed. But this one right here, they've updated to USB-C, and so it's really easy to just find a cord to plug this thing in. Get organized on your desk with this, you know? So yeah, there you go. ESR 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. Totally recommend this premium product right here. Next up, controllers. If you're like me who games on your iPhone a lot, you probably want to pick up a controller instead of, you know, playing PUBG on your phone. It's the touchscreen is just not doing it. Or Call of Duty. Huge difference when you get a controller for Call of Duty on your phone. This is the one I recommend right here. You've probably seen my video on this already. Totally love this one over the Razer Kishi or the Backbone one. Totally love this one. The reason why is that, one, I actually like the old Razer Kishi V1 design where you can just fold it out. It has plenty of room if you have bigger phones. So this thing right here is future proof. So let's say if iPhone 15 Pro Max is bigger, this thing is probably gonna support it. So last but not least, the reason why I recommend this controller over all of the other controller is because it does fit a case. So for instance, this case right here is not the thinnest case out there, okay? But it will fit perfectly fine in here. It's the only attachable case that I found that actually fit. Plenty of room back here. It's not touching your camera or anything like that. Yeah, so anyway, awesome case. I totally recommend this one as one of my premium products. Now the last two premium products are audio products that I totally love. One, as you can see right here, this is the JBL Post 4. There's also a Post 5 version as well. But with the Post 4, it just blew me away from the quality of the sound to the aesthetic. It's all about aesthetic on this one though, because as you can see right here, it is beautiful. This is the modern day lava lamp. This entire thing, guys, it's not plastic. It's like glass right here. It's heavy. Feels very premium in your hand, and at the same time, if you play audio on it, it sounds amazing. Let me see what volume I have it on here. Okay, so you see right here as I'm changing the volume. Yeah. Let me play some music for you. Yeah, the sound fantastic. It even comes with the app where you can change up the equalizer. It's got these different options for the lights. It's amazing. It's one of the most beautiful speakers I've ever seen, and the build quality is solid on this one. The sound is huge. I love it. I love it so much. This one is probably one of the best looking, aesthetically pleasing product that I have in here. Anyway, JBL Post 4, guys, totally love that one. Okay, so last thing, which is like came out of left field for me last year, but I still use this product till this day. This is the Razer Anu, A-N-U. This is one of Razer's most unique product. Well, I guess besides the mask that they were trying to build during COVID. But yeah, this thing right here is amazing. The reason why I say that is because it's a pair of glasses, right? But when you flip it out,
power on, Bluetooth connected.
You hear that?
Disconnected, power off. Power on. Bluetooth connected.
Hear that? It's a Bluetooth glass. Yeah. This thing right here, it didn't seem like much, but as soon as I put it on, which by the way changed my look quite a bit, right? But no, the big reason why you want to look into this is because this thing has a little audio bone conducting, maybe, I'm not too sure, but it actually has a nice speaker on here. So when I need something where I can, you know, not something this big, where I just out in the backyard and I want to like listen to music or something like that, I would put this thing on. Let me turn this off real quick. And I can play music through here. You probably can't hear it, but I'm hearing it very clearly in here. My mic's right here, so I'm not sure you can hear it. but it has a tiny speakers right here. Here, let me. Can you hear that? It sounds like someone's playing music around you when you have these things on. Not sure how to explain it, but it's one of the coolest products that I found. Yeah, sure, it's just a speaker inside of a pair of glasses, but I don't know. This thing took me by surprise. As soon as I put it on, it's like wearing a pair of earphones in your ears. Yeah, it's amazing. On top of that, you can get these prescribed, I believe. There's some instruction in the box for you to do that. And yeah, so if you're one of those that wear glasses a lot, I don't know, look into this. I actually do like this a lot. This is one of the most unique product and premium at the same time. Charge the headset through these little ports right here. And that's it. It comes with the case and everything. When you're done, you close it and it says it's disconnected. Yeah. Anyway, most unique product that I found on the iPhone for sure. So there you go, guys. Those are 5 most premium product that I found for my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Did I miss something? Add it to the list. Let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.